cover, just slide underneath here, slide it up, and slide it out. I'm going to remove this intake, just pop this line off right here. I'm going to have to grab it and loosen up the worm clamp right here. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Also right here. Using a trim tool, just slide underneath here, separate that, and separate the snorkel. Lift up over here, there's a little rubber grommet, and slide it out. Disconnect the spark plug wire, you can grab it from up top, and then sometimes it helps if you just twist the wire and pull. You can also use a spark plug boot puller, kind of like pliers that are round a little bit. And just slide it off like that. Take a spark plug socket. This is a 5/8 spark plug socket. It has a rubber grommet in there to hold the spark plug. Just slide it on the plug like that. It helps to have a universal joint. And before you do this, actually, if you spray a little compressed air right there to get some of the sand out of the way, that's a good idea as well. And slide it out, just like that. And take it out. Take the spark plug. They are pre-gapped, but it's always a good idea just to double check. You want these to be about 40 thousandths. So just take the spark plug gapper and just make sure you're right around 40 thousandths, which they are. And slide it off of there. Put it in the socket. And very carefully line it up in the spark plug hole and just finger tighten them. And take a torque wrench, and you can torque these to 11 foot-pounds. And take the socket off. Take the plug wire, line it up. Lock it down, and then lock it down up top. You can do the same with the other ones on both sides. Now put the air snorkel on. Line it up, line this grommet up. It's all set. And there's a little retainer on the coolant hose right there. And tighten the worm clamps down. Reinstall this hose. It goes on the valve cover and goes right into the intake right there. And slide the cover in position. Lock it down.